Hi, this 5-minute solution gonna show you how to disable live voicemail on iPhone. Follow this easy and step-by-step guide to disable live voicemail in your iPhone. So if you have updated your iPhone iOS version to the latest version, you will see the live voicemail option is automatically enabled, and sometimes this feature is very annoying. To disable it, go to your iPhone settings app and scroll down until you see phone. Now just tap on phone, and here scroll down a little bit and tap on live voicemail. As you can see, this is currently turned on. So you have to turn off this live voicemail option, and that's it. You have successfully disabled live voicemail in your iPhone for calls. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.